My daughter Charlotte starts school for the very first time this year, so I've been trying to think of ways to make it a little extra special. Here are 4 easy back to school traditions that you can try in your house. Here we go. Everyone loves a first day of school photo, and this one has a little twist. You're going to add the graduation year of your child to a t-shirt. Pick one that's going to be big enough for what you think they'll be when they're 18, about to head off to college. I cannot believe that is the year 2036 for my daughter. Get yourself some iron-on varsity letters and add that to the t-shirt, and then take a photo in this shirt every year on the first day of school until your little one grows up. I had to use myself for a little movie magic, but you get the idea. So cute. I love this idea. Set up a snack taste test for your little one before you start packing those lunches. Go to the store and pick some things that you think they might like, and then bring them home and create your own sort of scorecard or ranking system. You could put this on a Lazy Susan or a circular tray like this. Just set everything out and let them taste and enjoy. Let them be in charge. They can comment, say yes, say no, and just have a lot of fun getting excited for what you're going to be packing in their school lunchbox. I was actually really surprised by which ones my daughter liked best. The freeze-dried crunchy mangoes were the winners. Can't go wrong. Actually, I lied. I think this one's my favorite. So there's something in Germany called a Kinder cone. They basically have been giving kids these paper cones filled with school supplies for a really long time, and you can make one yourself so easily at home. Just take a piece of poster board and roll it into a cone and tape the edge shut. Then you're going to trim the top so it's straight. Make a little score mark so that you can fold in the top and get it nice and flat and sturdy like this. Then you're going to take some double-sided tape and put that around the entire rim, the outer rim of the cone up here. This is how you're going to attach the top of your Kinder cone. Grab a piece of tissue paper, put it right side in, so wrong side out, and roll that on the double-sided tape. Then fill the cone with all sorts of fun back-to-school goodies, things that you wouldn't typically buy for them, just little treats. And then pull that tissue paper up so now the right side is out, and tie it with a ribbon so it's so super cute. Give it to them before the first day of school, and let them just get super excited about going back and having these little treats to bring. This is an easy thing to do year after year and customize to whichever grade they're going into. Now it's time to make some snack mix. This is great for the lunchbox or after school. Just go to the grocery store and get everything that you can find that is a letter or a number shape. I really wanted to include these chocolate ones from Target, and of course the cinnamon cookies from Trader Joe's. These IKEA cookies look super cute and crinkly. I wish I was able to go there to get those. And also this brand I see a lot in grocery stores, even though it's German and they look delicious. Chocolate covered letters. Just mix it all together and make a little snack. I know these ideas are super simple, but the best traditions usually are pick something to make or do together to celebrate that first day and enjoy this really special season. Bye!